So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer a crypto token from one wallet to another wallet. There's actually a class going on right now on Telegram for those of you that are new to the crypto space and you don't understand a thing about crypto. The class is free. I just thought, okay, it's a good idea to bring people in and carry people along so we can all make this crypto money together rather than just doing it alone. You know, one of the ways for me to give back to the community is by teaching people this thing for free. So the class is open for everyone. I'm going to leave the Telegram link in my description where I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know about cryptocurrency, and also I will start showing projects to you. By the time I know all of you are familiar with some things about cryptocurrency, I'll start dropping projects that you should look into, flip, drop airdrops, drop crypto update and everything in that same group. So you can join the group if you are interested in learning. So I'm going to be showing you fundamental of how you can transfer a crypto token from one wallet to another wallet. Let's go, guys. Now I'm going to show you how you can basically transfer your cryptocurrency from one wallet to another wallet. So what I'm going to do is, okay, over here in this wallet, I'll be transferring some Solana. Over here we have like 2.5, so I can just do 0.01 Solana just for the sake of the video, right? So what I'm going to do basically is, now I want to send, where am I sending to? I'll be sending some Solana to another wallet in my Trust wallet. We can have multiple wallets, right? Let me just click on this, just click on the airdrops because I don't want to reveal my wallet for obvious reasons. So I want to receive a Solana token in this wallet. And looking at this place, you won't find Solana, because for you to be able to receive a Solana token, you have to see Solana and copy the wallet address. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to scroll down. Click on here that says manage crypto. When I click on manage crypto, it's going to come like this, right? I'm going to swipe till I find Solana, and I'm going to hit this toggle button over here. So I'm going to hit it and then go back. So you can see that Solana is already showing right here, right? So now that Solana is showing, what you want to do now is to click on it. You click on this place here that says receive. When you click on it, it's going to come up like so. So you see over here, you see this place that says copy. You just hit on it. When you hit on it, it's going to copy successfully. So you just click on it like that. It has already copied. So now you are going to head back. You head back. So you click on this airdrop, this place here that says airdrop. So to get to this point, so you click on it and then you come back to main wallet 3. That was where we were before, right? So you click on main wallet 3 and now you want to send some Solana to the other wallet. So what I want to do is just click on this, right? And I'm going to hit on send over here. See send here. So when you click on send like that, you are going to now hit on this paste. This place that says paste. When you click on it, so let me just do 0.001 Solana, but then you can send more than that basically. So now that I've done that, I'll just click on enter, and then the memo is not required as I said, right? So I'll just hit on next. So when I hit on next, I'm going to be using a network fee of about 0.0000502 Solana, which is not even up to a cent. It's not even up to a penny, right? So I'm just going to click on confirm and enter my password. Let me just enter my password and bam, it is processing, right? It is processing. So now we are going to head back to see if I received my Solana token. So I'm going to come over here, right? So I'm going to just click on it and then select airdrop and then come over here and keep swiping. Yes, you see my Solana has entered. Solana of about 0.13 Solana has entered. So that's basically how to transfer crypto from one wallet. In the same way you transfer across all other types of wallets, be it your Phantom wallet, your MetaMask, even your centralized exchanges, is the same way. But then there's also a part where you make sure that the blockchain you are sending to is verified. That will also do another video explaining blockchain to you guys, so you don't send to the wrong blockchain, because if you send your crypto to the wrong blockchain, you will never get your crypto back again. It is lost forever. So I'm going to do another video explaining how to make sure you send your crypto to the right blockchain, types of blockchain we have, and how you can send to the right blockchain. But in the meantime, I want you to get familiar with this. So that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.